The President of the European Parliament has condemned Finland's decision to try to block the use of the Eurozone's bailout funds to buy back government bonds. The threat by Finland, which is also backed by the Netherlands, casts fresh doubt over the deal agreed between EU leaders at last week's Crunch summit in Brussels. The biggest problem with Europe, Martin Schulz said, is that once a decision has been taken, it's not actually taken because the next day someone can veto and block everyone else. That's the big problem and means we cannot create a situation where investors have confidence in Europe. EU leaders agreed to the deployment of the Eurozone's rescue funds in an effort to bring down Spain and Italy's soaring borrowing costs. But the latest opposition appears to illustrate the difficulties in finding a long-term solution to the crisis.
Je pense que le dernier sommet a surtout acheté du temps.
I think the last summit mainly bought time, just as was the case in 2011, with a few positive steps. But this is not going to solve the crisis completely. To resolve this once and for all, we need to establish an economic, budgetary and political union as quickly as possible.
Et une union politique.